Bella, put it down. Right now.
No. I found it first. It's mine.
That's not a toy. That's Dad's phone. And you just ordered 480 bags of cheese on Amazon.
Oh, my dog. I'm in big trouble. I just wanted to watch dog videos.
Guys, welcome back. If you hear Dad screaming upstairs, that's his bank app saying thank you for your purchase and your money is now zero. Haha. All right, let's talk about our daily routine. Last time we only said the big picture. Today we tell every dirty detail.
Yeah. From morning fart to night snore.
A good day starts with a good morning. Let's start with the morning. I wake up early at 5 a.m.
5 a.m.? Even the sun is still sleeping. And I am still sleeping upside down on the sofa. Why do you wake up so early?
Because I have a farm to check. First, I open my eyes, stretch my forelegs, and do some yoga. It relaxes my body. What about you? When you wake up?
I have a professional schedule. I am always wake up at exactly 10 a.m.
Oh, is it a beautiful bird singing outside your window?
No. My body has a natural alarm clock. It's very cool and very loud. Every morning, I wake up because I scare myself with my own fart. I think it's a monster. It goes. And then I jump into the air. Then I realize, oh, it's just my tummy saying good morning.
Wait, you get scared by your own fart? Ha 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 ha. Bella, that's a yucky story. You wake up from your own farts, and you sit on your dad's face to check if he's alive. I feel sorry for your human family.
Hey! It's a great alarm. I'm never late.
Okay, let's look at the English here, my friends. Bella just used some very important words for daily routine. She said, I am always wake up at 10 a.m. and I am never late.
Yes. Always means 100%. Like, Bella always loves cookies.
Correct. And never means 0%. Like, Buddy never eats shoes. But guys, listen carefully. Bella made a very common beginner mistake. Bella, you cannot say, I am always asleep.
Why not? I am a dog, and I sleep. Both are true.
Because sleep is an action word. When you use a time word like always, usually, or sometimes, you put the action word directly after it. You do not need the word am.
So, no am.
No am. You should say, I always sleep at 2 p.m. Not I am always sleep.
Oh. I get it. I always sleep at 2 p.m. Buddy always runs after sheep. Mom always drops chicken by accident.
Pawfect. Let's repeat for our listeners. Subject plus time word plus action word. I always wake up. You sometimes forget. We usually practice. Never say, I'm always wake up. That hurts my ears, Bella.
Okay, okay. My grammar is getting better. I always study English with Buddy. Am I a genius now?
60% genius, 40% vacuum cleaner.
Hey, I'm at least 80% genius.
Huh. Right. Let's go back to our day. Then I have breakfast. A big bowl of fresh meat, good vitamins, and 2 cans of Red Bull.
Red Bull? No wonder you run like the wind. Haha.
It gives me wings. Then I check the news and the stock market. I need to learn investment and save money because my dream is to travel around the world. Investment means making my money grow. I'm starting a big cheese business.
You? A business?
Hey, I'm a farm dog. I know cheese.
What kind of cheese business? Can I be the tasting manager? Hehe.
No, Bella. You will eat all the stock before we sell it.
That is not true. I only eat a little bit of it.
See? That's why you can't be the manager.
Buddy, you are so cheap. My breakfast is yummy biscuits and a little chicken, a little vegetable, a little fruit. Then I check Dad's plate for quality control. Haha.
Oh, my dog. Bella, are you a pig?
And sometimes I steal bacon when Mom's not looking, hee hee.
You mean borrow.
I borrow it forever.
Right after breakfast, I go straight to work. I run like crazy to herd sheep, but they never listen. Yesterday, one sheep looked at me, rolled its eyes, and just walked away. Like my ex-girlfriend. What the?
Haha. Maybe you should use the opposite trick, Buddy. If you want them to go right, tell them to go left. Then you'll become a master sheepdog.
Hey, that's actually a smart idea. I will try that next time. What do you do before noon?
Before noon, I chase butterflies in the garden. They go up, they go down, and I go right into the fence. I never catch them and they never listen. We need a club. A club named Animals That Don't Listen.
Ha 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 ha. And the first rule is never listen to the rules.
Yes. That is my favorite rule. Then I chase my own tail, talk to the wall. After that, I dig holes with Bunny in the yard. Eat the flowers, and destroy the whole garden.
Haha. At noon, I eat my sheep chaser power burgers with a zero Coke. It makes me feel like my tail is on fire. What about you?
Lunch? I eat Mom's favorite slipper. It tastes like love and laundry soap.
Well, that sounds like you. In the afternoon, I love to climb up the big tree and take a sweet nap. I can see the beautiful sea and the whole farm from up there. It's so amazing. Then I have an iced coffee with a doggy snack to get more energy.
My afternoon is super busy. Sometimes I go shopping with Mom, go swimming at the beach, and take a nice afternoon nap. After that, I have a lovely afternoon tea with cookies.
Wow, that sounds fancy and very chill.
And then I go to the dog park. I chase small birds, roll around on the grass to get a suntan on my belly, and look for my friend Barnaby. I spend half the afternoon sniffing his butt and sharing the gossip.
Your routine is hitting fences, eating slippers, and sniffing butts. Your life is so full and active, Bella. You are like a chill drama queen.
The best part is 6 p.m., the golden hour. Mom enters the kitchen to cook dinner.
Why is it called the golden hour? Because the sun is golden and shining?
No. Because the food looks golden. Every evening, I follow my mom into the kitchen. I sit under the counter, very quietly. I don't bark. I don't move. I become a golden statue.
You? Quiet? Whoa, that truly is a miracle.
I have to be quiet. If I am noisy, Mom says, Bella, out of the kitchen. So I wait, and I watch. Oops! A piece of carrot falls. Oops! A little bit of cheese drops. It's the best game in the world. Everything that hits the floor must be tested by me for safety. It's a dangerous job, but I do it for love. Hee.
You do it for your tummy, not for love. On my farm, 6 p.m. is pure happiness. Dad makes me a huge, juicy steak with sweet potatoes. I eat it in 10 seconds.
You need to visit my kitchen. The kitchen gods here are generous.
Well, I don't need your kitchen, because remember my big project from last time?
The fridge. Did you do it? Did you open the heavy magic door?
I've been practicing push-ups every day. This afternoon, the house was empty.
Oh, my dog. The moment of truth.
I stood on my back legs, put my paws around the handle, and pulled with super dog power.
And? Did you see the land of butter?
Nothing happened. It didn't move even 1 millimeter. I think Dad locked it with human magic.
Oh no. Our dream is broken.
Don't cry. A genius never gives up. I'm reading a book about science. I'll use a tool next time. Learning English is the same. If you fail today, don't cry. Try a different way. You can do it.
Buddy, that's beautiful. You fail at stealing food, but you sound like a wise teacher.
Haha. A wise teacher who is still very hungry and wants some cheese.
Haha. At night, I watch TV with Mom. I understand English, but I understand treats.
Oh no. We don't say I no understand. Say I don't understand. Think like this. No is for things. No cheese. No walk. No vas. But don't is for actions. I don't understand. I don't like Mondays. I don't want a bath.
Oh. So I don't understand English. But I don't need English. I don't need verbs. I need cheese. Haha.
Pawfect. After a long day, my night routine is romantic. Sometimes I lie on a nice grass with my brothers, looking up at the stars, the moon, and the Milky Way. We see shooting stars all the time. Then I listen to some soft music with a bottle of nice champagne and take a warm bubble bath to relax my tired body. Finally, I listen to our own podcast and fall asleep.
After watching TV, I run around Mom and Dad 30 times to make sure they can see me. Until I am tired. Then I go to bed too. I snore like a tractor. They need to wear earplugs to fall asleep. Haha.
Ha 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 ha. You guys are amazing. You listen to a long English conversation about routines. You are moving closer to your English goals every day.
Yeah, friends. How about you? What's your daily routine? Do you wake up at 5 a.m. like Crazy Buddy? Or 10 a.m. like Pretty Bella? What's your favorite thing to do during the day? Does your pet stare at you when you cook dinner too?
Please don't tell us you wake up from your own farts. We want to keep the comments section fresh and clean.
Hey! My farts are a special alarm. Hehe.
Can you share your funny story with us? We really want to know. Otherwise, Buddy will wake you up at 5 a.m. for Doga, and Bella will give you a 10 a.m. face attack.
Yeah. If you liked hanging out with us today, please hit the like button right now.
And don't forget to subscribe to Pawfect English and share this podcast with your friends, family, and pets.
Yeah. More subscribers means more treats. I want a mountain of chicken nuggets.
I want a mountain of steaks. Haha. Remember our golden rule. Stop dreaming. Start doing. Because practice makes.
Perfect.
And remember, hide your phone from a dog. Okay, Bella. That's the end of the recording. Good job. Now I'm going to take my power nap. Dad's coming. Act cute.
I was born cute. Hee hee. Wait, buddy. Look out the window. Dad forgot to close the fridge.
What? The magic door is open? Let's go.
I always run faster than you when food is waiting. First come, first chomp.
Oh, oh, oh.